This is the BW-AT6 Plus smartwatch with always-on display, AMOLED screen, beautiful device. Swipe down, you get all these different controls, your overall brightness, you've got settings, find your phone, information about the watch, and an integrated flashlight at the very top, which is really nice. Broad, good illumination, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, do not disturb, and power savings modes are on this one as well. You got last night's, or the day's step count information in here, your total steps by hour and the last 7-day average. You can switch into heart rate and have it compute your overall heart rate, and of course it'll do your 24-hour heart rate as well. Last night's sleep time, and the last 7 days with an average of your sleep over that time period, weather in your area, and basically the temperature and the current conditions. An integrated music player that streams right to the watch, good and loud too. And of course all your different sporting activities. No GPS in this watch, but you do have the walking, running, and cycling and the basic stuff as well. And then of course you can change the order or move them around, whatever you'd like to do. Nice variety of watch faces you can choose from. An edge-to-edge display, really sweet. When you get into the apps, you find you got all kinds of things. Remote camera, calendars, calculator built into this one. Business cards, you got a couple of games in this one. Stopwatch, female information's available to you. Blood oxygen as well as heart rate, workouts, voice assistant in here. Contacts, telephone, you name it. It's really, really fun. Now, in terms of its build quality, it's great. It's metal all the way around, 3 buttons. The center one rotates, but it doesn't change the display here. It'll change where you are in your overall layout of your apps and such. You've got, like I said, a flashlight at the top, the speaker. What more can I say? It's a hefty watch, but it's a solid watch with a good battery in it. Again, it is the BW-AT6 Plus with always-on display. Check it out.